Welcome back to Planet Doug once more. And on a lot of my walks in this part of Medan, heading towards Little India and some other areas, I've been passing by this place called the Coffee Box. And it looks really interesting from the outside. Has 3 stories, balconies up at the top that are open with tables, in the balcony windows. And from what I read online, they serve food and drinks, coffee, anything you like. So I thought, since I'm in the neighborhood, and this may be my last time in this neighborhood on this trip, why not pop in for a drink? I'm a little bit hot and sweaty from all of my walking around, but yeah, look at that. Love those tables that are right in the window. Maybe I can snag one of those. I already had lunch. Today I had lunch at the M-Burger place, and I'm heading back from M-Burger to my hotel, and they gave me an extra chicken burger to take with me. So I definitely don't need any food, but I could definitely use a cold drink, rest up a little bit, and then continue my walk back to my neighborhood. So here's the inside of Coffee Box, at least the main floor. And I'm assuming everything up on the 2nd and 3rd floors is connected, but I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna have to go up the stairs and take a look. So here's the menu for the place: hot drinks, juices, appetizers, and then a main menu. Martabak, chicken chop, lompong, mie aceh, nasi goreng. And then they have some Western style appetizers, or butter kaya toast, cheesy potato chips, chicken popcorn, yeah. So Western and Indonesian. And let's see what happens if we go upstairs. So it looks like this place has some history to it. They have some older style photos up here of the neighborhood. Wow, look at this. 2nd floor. Very nice. Oh, same menu up here. And then this is the outdoor balcony. Very busy place. The bottom floor was almost completely full. And up here, almost full up here as well. Every window table is taken. And a lot of historic photographs on the wall, which is really interesting. I'm going to see if I can go up one more floor, see what's going on up there. So here we are to the 3rd floor. Let's take a look up there. Well, I don't know what's going on. So this 3rd floor might not be part of the restaurant. There are like prayer rooms up here, and then a bathroom behind me. So that is it there, the 3rd floor balcony, but it isn't open as part of the restaurant. It's actually a prayer room now. So it's only the second floor and the first. And out here on the balcony, they have kind of like faux oil, like kerosene lanterns. I assume there are electric light bulbs in there, but they're actually using kerosene lanterns as a lantern basically for an electric bulb. And then they have a lot of vintage objects on display. Old typewriters and sewing machines and ironing equipment, baking equipment and kettles. Ooh. So I took a seat on the inside because none of the tables at the window were open on the balcony, and it was really hot out there, and a lot of the cigarette smoke. It's air conditioned in here, so I thought I'd come inside and just get something to drink, I think. Big menus here with the, really nice photographs of everything, which I really like. I often have trouble knowing what something is just based on the name, but show me a photo. Looks like they make a lot of jelly tea. So there's iced green milk tea jelly. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to go for, just to get something completely different. I have no idea what it is. Iced green milk tea jelly. And then we'll see what I end up with, either that or iced coffee pandan. So my green iced milk tea with jelly has arrived, and it is as advertised. It's green, it's iced, and it's full of jelly. They didn't lie. But I have no idea if there's any kind of a flavor to go along with the green, probably pandan. Matcha? Yeah, I think it's matcha tea, which makes sense. Yeah, I'm probably too thirsty to really enjoy this because I need to drink like 2 liters of water first, get that out of the way, and then enjoy something with flavor, because I could drink this right down so quickly. I'm kind of hot and dehydrated just from walking around and not drinking enough. Yeah, it's matcha tea. Yeah, I like it. I'm just afraid there's not going to be nearly enough of it. See if the spoon is the way to go for the jelly. I think you drink the whole thing with a straw, then you kind of wait for the ice to melt, and then you spoon up whatever's left with your spoon. All the jelly that's still down at the bottom. I wasn't sure, but the jelly is cut up small enough. You can suck it up with this straw. So I'm all done, and I'm just down on the first floor settling the bill. All right, that is it for my coffee box experience. That was really nice. Different from a lot of places I've been eating at lately. From the outside, you can tell it has some history to it. It's an older building. Yeah, quite an attractive building. But the third floor, as I found out, is not actually open. It's not part of the restaurant. Those are the prayer rooms. And I think the staff use a lot of the space up on the third floor. But the second floor is open, and then the first floor as well. And, you know, a lot of Western appetizers, snacks, cold drinks, Indonesian food. Probably a little bit on the pricey side for what you get, but, you know, it's a very nice atmosphere, nice building. And when you go down to the cashier on the main floor, the cashier itself has like, I don't know, 7 different banking machines, you know, so everyone who comes down has a different kind of card they pay with. They're swiping and scanning and beeping and doing all those things. And again, I feel like I'm a caveman because I just pay for everything in cash, you know, but all the local people are paying with debit cards and swipe cards and bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards. But yeah, there it is, Coffee Box. I wanted to check the place out, and today I finally got the chance. Oh, and it turned out there was a lot of jelly in my tea. I thought I drank all of it with my straw, but after I drank all the tea, there was a ton of jelly still in the bottom. So you kind of needed the spoon to eat up all the jelly from the bottom. So there we are, heading back to my hotel, and one more restaurant I tried out here in Medan, and I will see you in the next video.